get ready, guys, because I'm going to show you how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer on iOS and Android. So this is super cool. So let me just open it up and show you guys how it works. So if you're tired of having the same 10 Pokemon in your town, this spoofer will make it way better. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So let's get straight into the guide. So this is super cool, guys. So let me just go ahead and open it up just so you guys can see.
1, 2,
so yeah, this is
3, and
super
go.
wild. So you get like a joystick, you get the bar on the right side. It shows you all the nearby Pokemon. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, I can walk around with the joystick. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it onto your device. So let's get straight into the guide. So if we go in the settings here, as you can see, we have all these options. We have to go ahead and turn on like joystick and stuff, as it is not on by default. But other than that, you should be good to go. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it for your device. So as you can see, we can change our character's speed. So this is super cool. So as you can see, I can walk around with the joystick. So this is super wild. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it for your device. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we have to do is get the trainer code. So make sure you guys do that. Now I'm going to take you guys over to the website. So the website we're going to go to is called ispoofpogo.net. So once you're on this website, it's going to be a button that says Inject Spoofer. So you just want to press that, and you can read all about it here, as you can see. So this is super cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and press that. But as you can see, they have a ton of information about the spoofer. So anyway, now we have to enter our trainer code and select our platform. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. So I'm just going to enter the trainer code, and then basically you just want to go ahead and press continue. So let's just wait for it to load here, as you can see. So you can see it says fetching profile data. So now it's going to say, do you want full edition or custom edition? So this doesn't matter. Custom edition just means you're getting specific things. So I'll press continue. So now we just have to wait for this to download here, as you can see. So I'm just going to wait for it to download. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So it says injecting. All right. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. So let's just give it a second. So as you can see, it says awaiting verification. So this is the part where it's going to say I'm not a robot. So you just want to go ahead and press that. And let's see if it goes through. So you can see it says verifying. So let's see if it works. And this is the moment of truth. So it says failed. So now I'm just going to try again. So let me just try again, guys, and we'll see if it works this time. So as you can see, it says verifying, and it should go through. So it worked. So be sure to try it out, guys. That's how I get it for your device. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. So that's how I get Pokemon Go Spoofer for your device. This works on iOS and Android 2026. So as you can see, I can walk around with the joysticks. This is super cool. We got all the settings here. So we got the map. So if you guys are very bored of Pokemon Go, this will change everything. So it's super wild. So as you can see, we have all these options. So you can see right here the joystick. So be sure to tell your friends about it. It's super cool. So as you can see, we can change our character's speed. So that's super crazy. So I will see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So this video works for you guys. Be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys later.
Dai,
Yeah, have fun.
आपको अचार खाम न आपको अचार